Well, hi there.
Hello.
Welcome back.
Welcome to We Made It.
We made it.
I'm BJ.
And I'm Corey.
And we're the Mays.
We are.
And I must say, you're looking fantastic this evening, my wife.
Oh, you're so sweet.
You look lovely.
Thank you.
What are we making today?
Well, last time we promised these lovely people.
And you are lovely.
Are all lovely.
Especially you there in the front.
Yep. That we would use up some more of our pineapple juice.
The remainder of the pineapple juice.
I don't know if we're going to use it all, but we're probably going to get close.
We'll get most of it.
And if we don't, we can make two of them.
There you go.
Well, we're going to make two, because there's two of us.
There are.
And we're making a pineapple upside down cake martini.
I mean, yum.
Yeah. So I love pineapple upside down cake. It's super easy to make. I've made it for the kids' birthdays.
That's right. You did make it for birthdays.
Several times because it's good. It's got enough of that brown sugar in it to start to make it feel like fall. And both of our kids are October birthdays. So this kind of creates those flavors.
It does.
But in a martini glass. How fun is that? So we're going to start with Cake Vodka.
Oh, yes. Cake Vodka has enabled a great number of remarkable drinks in this household.
And we have tried several of the different brands of Cake Vodka. I don't have a favorite. And when we're done with this, I'm going to give you my little cheat for a pineapple upside down cake. If you're feeling like you want to do something a little bit lighter and not so complicated.
There you go.
So how many ounces are we going to start with?
We're doing a double again. We're going to do a full 4.5 ounces of the Cake Vodka.
Yep.
Lots of sweet, lots of sugar.
So martini is largely vodka or gin. But
that's 2 1/4 per drink, right? So it's not crazy.
Not crazy. We've already got ice in our shaker.
We do. In it goes.
Gosh, it just smells like birthday cake.
It just legitimately smells like a birthday cake.
It smells like birthday cake. It's kind of crazy. Okay, next is our pineapple juice.
Pineapple juice, and we'll use 2 1/2 ounces of this, so 1 1/4 per drink.
And these little cans are perfect for bartending, mixology stuff, because you make a couple drinks and you can. We've put like foil on the top of that, stuck it in the fridge. It's not like a carbonated something where you have to use it up the same day. And then we're going to put in some Amaretto.
1 1/2.
Would you like me to hold this so you can use both hands?
Yeah, do that thing. You hold that.
There, 1 1/2?
1 1/2.
That's right where my thumb is.
Because if you remember our gigantic, ridiculous Amaretto bottle.
It's a little heavy. And stop.
Stop.
Good job.
Thank you.
I
appreciate that encouragement.
Welcome. I gotta help.
Okay.
Oh my gosh. Now we get to do the fun part. Shake, 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 shake.
Until
It's too cold to hold.
it's too cold to hold. And too cold to hold. Better set
Alrighty.
it down.
Okay, so pineapple upside down cake often has cherries
On the bottom.
on the top.
Well, on the top, which was the bottom when it was
Yeah, but I don't
being...
think you don't put them in until it's baked, right?
I don't remember.
I don't put cherries on mine because I'm
But we will on the drink.
weird like that. But we're not going to use cherries. The recipe actually calls for grenadine.
It does.
And you're going to put the grenadine in the bottom because grenadine is a syrup, and so it's heavier than our concoction.
Do you remember our peach melba martini?
Yes.
It's a similar sort of operation to that.
Right.
We're going to put it at the bottom.
Except that we poured over the bar spoon once it was in there.
I should have gone and got the bar spoon.
But we're just going to pour it right in the bottom first.
Yep.
Now, okay, here's another funny thing. We just made our own grenadine. We're aware that this may be the most, like, hipster thing that we've ever done.
Elitist jerk thing possible.
So you can totally buy, like, Rose's grenadine.
It's fine.
But we decided that we just wanted to try it and see how hard it was. By the way, not hard.
Not very.
We also learned that grenadine is made from pomegranate juice.
Not cherry.
Not cherry, like I thought. So anyway, we're going to put some of this in the bottom. You can totally buy, like, is that good?
Yeah,
Little
maybe
more?
just a 2 bloops.
A smidge.
A smidge. It's a technical term.
Just a smidge more.
I like it. Gosh, it's a pretty color.
Mm-hmm.
I'm going to give this one more shake real quick.
A little top off.
And then we're going to pour it out.
All right.
Let's
I'm
see.
excited for this.
Let's see how we did. I'm going to let it dribble just down the side a little bit in the hopes that maybe we can keep these largely separate.
It's like science.
Is it staying at the bottom?
It is. This is a lot thicker, too, than store-bought grenadine.
It is. It's very syrupy.
Mm-hmm. Now, the cool thing about doing it this way, just like with our peach melba, is that your flavor profile is going to change just a little bit as you get to the bottom, and your grenadine starts to blend into the rest of your drink. And you can stir it up if you really wanted to have that cherry in there, but for us, the fun part is that it starts to change as you get a little bit lower.
Look how pretty it is.
I know. It's gorgeous.
I'm kind of excited about this.
I mean,
I need a minute alone with my martini.
I need a fork. It's like cake.
Oh, it's so good.
It's like cake. Go make it because it's like cake in a glass, without the chewing.
Without the chewing. You know, when we made that Summery, I was ready to say that was the best drink we've made. This is a contender. This might be better than
I think we just really like pineapple juice. I promised a shortcut. For a while, I was on a major, just like vodka soda kick.
Low cal.
It's low cal. It's super easy to throw together. So one of my favorites became, we tried this. We've had this recipe for a really long time.
We've been making it for like 4 years.
Sort of lost it and hadn't rediscovered it recently. But I would do cake vodka and just club soda with just a splash of pineapple juice. And that gets you super close. It's fizzy, which is awesome too. Super light. That's a good one to like pour yourself and then go sit in the pool.
All right. I'm getting there. I'm going to do the thing. I'm going to do the classy thing.
Oh, you're not even half ready for that.
Give it a little zhuzh.
Oh my gosh, you just totally changed the color of it. Now it's like red because you thinned it out.
Look at that.
Now it's like garnet. Pretty.
And
all of a sudden it's different.
Boy, oh boy, it's like a whole new drink.
Mm-hmm.
Oh, it's so good.
This is that awkward part where you just get to watch us drink and go,
I mean, if you were making one, you could be doing this too.
You could be going, too. So go make one.
Do that.
Subscribe to our channel.
Yes.
Like this video. Send your friends. Oh, we should mention too. Should we mention that you can find us now?
You can.
We have more than just this YouTube channel.
We're a thing.
We're a thing. We have a Facebook page.
We do.
Search for us at We Made It Cocktails.
That's right.
You can also find us on Instagram at We Made It Cocktails.
Also true.
MAYD. We should mention that.
I will put
Same
links.
as our, we'll put links
in our YouTube channel description. In the description of the channel, I'll put links to all the other social
There's not a whole lot
media.
of content up yet. But
It's just links to these videos.
there will be.
Oh, there will be.
Well, thank you for watching. And we will see you next time on
We Made It.
Cheers.
Cheers.
Okay.
You're going to start.
Hello.
Wait, well,
Aw.
I was saying cuz.
Don't say cuz. Just tell me to go.
Go ahead.
I mean, you already have your finger dirty. Maybe you just stick your finger in my martini.
Where are we going with this?
I don't know.
Am I too sweaty?
No.
I just wiped off a little.
Not too bad.
Not too
I have
sure.
a stray hair here.
Can you fix that for me?
Starts to make it look like you have a comb over. I wouldn't want our kids watching us.
You wouldn't want our kids watching us? We're hilarious and delightful.
Artisan, like homemade, organic. That would be the washing machine.
I don't want to comb over.
But that's what it starts to look
That's
like if
not
you
a
have
thing.
too many strays.
That's not a thing I want. This is the no comb over zone.
It's like a freaking earthquake in here.
It is. It's really severe.
This happens every time I wash clothes, by the way.
You want me to stick my finger in your
Martini?
martini?
No.
No.
I want to do it myself.
You're going to stick your own finger?
Do a better job.
You do it better than I do?
Mm-hmm.
Okay. I respect that.